Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting progress. Back up your save and server config now because preview builds change files. Once done, open Steam, go to Library into ARK, choose Properties, then Betas, and opt into the Preview branch. This tells Steam to download the experimental build. Make sure mods are disabled or unsubscribed. Mods commonly break when the game version changes. You do this first to avoid corrupted saves, and to ensure the preview client installs cleanly so you can test. Once Steam finishes the branch switch, allow the client to update fully because partial downloads cause crashes. Then verify integrity using properties right arrow local files, right arrow verify. This fixes missing or mismatched files so the preview runs clean. Next, check your workshop mods. Do not re-enable them until they explicitly update for preview, otherwise you'll get errors. If you run a dedicated server, update the server build and any mod files there too. Synchronizing client and server versions prevents connection failures and sync issues. Now launch ARK in preview mode and start with single player. This is quicker and isolates issues. You should test core mechanics and any features you need, then try connecting to servers. If you hit crashes or missing content, close the game and remove mods you re-enabled, then verify files again. If things remain broken, opt out of the preview branch through Steam and restore your saved games from backup. That single troubleshooting step gets you back to a stable environment without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.